So hello guys, today I came on my roof for just doing practice. You can see right now I'm available on my roof. So because I was feeling a little bit tired and I was feeling the bored, that's why I decided to come on my roof for just doing practice. So please keep on watching whole video. I will show you how to do practice on standing your roofs. So please come with me, I will show you. So guys, you can see before coming on my roof, it was a little bit, not a little bit, too much raining in my village. So after stop the rain, I came on my roof for just doing practice and enjoying the views. You can see here is a very greeny view. Greeny means green view, and here is a very amazing natures. And also there are a lot of water plugged on my roof. Not only my roof, to my neighbor's roof. You can see there and also there and there. So guys, in this time it's a evening time, it's a the sometime it's going to getting a dark, and every trees and every things like they want to say anything. You can see the environment is very fresh, is a blowing here. You can see, and also the see what a view. Just right now I am feeling very energetic because of the view, because of the natures, and because of that type of environment. So that is very good for me and also for my health, and me and my friend enjoying hand in hand. So right now you can see the tree just want to say anything. Just there are a lot of tree, here is a lot of greeny, and I like too much, and I impressed this type of environment. And in this time every women's and every females just making and cooking their foods in every home, but we are enjoying the natures and view by standing on the roof. So after that we will go for just taking some kind of foods and maybe tea. So after end the video we will go for enjoying. So guys, this way you have to do practice for improving your English. If you are feeling tired of, if you are feeling bored, so this method will help you to improve your English. If you will follow this method, so you will not feel tired, and if you will not feel bored, you will just improve your English by doing this type of practice. So and at the end of this video, if this video is helpful for you, so please like and subscribe the Jugunoo method. That's all.